Hi, today I'm for the new Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus and I'll show you how to customize Always On Display option on this device. So let's first open the settings and then tap to Always On Display and lock screen section, then tap to AOD section. Here we could just use our custom theme to use the custom image, to change the text color, the clock position, and to turn on or turn off the battery status or notifications from any apps. Or if you want, you can use the different default themes like the signature, the analog clocks, kaleidoscope digital clocks, and the selected backgrounds. For example, let's use one from these available themes. You could just change the color of the clock, to turn on or turn off the battery, and click to apply it. Now we can see that it's applied successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.